Welcome to part one of our series on automation and Rebrand. In this video, we'll introduce automation placeholders and explore how they unlock powerful efficiencies for template-based content creation. With Rebrand, automation placeholders are more than just empty fields. They're intelligent, dynamic elements that can hold text, images, logos, colors, and other branding pieces. When you design a template, you add these placeholders to mark where specific content, like a product name, photo, or contact detail, should be dynamically filled. What makes this really powerful is automation. Imagine preparing a template just once, then generating hundreds or thousands of customized versions effortlessly. Let's say you have details stored in a CSV file. Rebrand can automatically fill each placeholder with the corresponding data from every row, creating fully personalized campaigns or documents at scale. It means no manual edits, fewer errors, and true brand consistency for every asset you distribute. Stay with us. As we continue in this series, we'll break down how to set up these placeholders, connect them to customer profiles, manage access based on brand folders, and even integrate with your CRM.